Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are cleaning out cattle sheds and we are getting ready for harvest really, and sort of in a bit of a rush to do it because we needed to clear the sheds out so builders can come in and repair the roof because of the damage from the winter storm. So I'll show you what they're going to do. Yeah, so up there you can see some sheets missing, and you just see little specks of light. Where's the, just sort of there, like there, and if we just come around to the right you can see there's sheet there damaged as well, because what happens when the sheets broke off or blew off, they sort of blew across the roof and damaged other sheets as they went. So they're coming to put scaffold around the back of the shed. You can just sort of see some light coming through gaps there as well. The barge board has sort of come off there as well. So there's quite a bit to do. But yeah, so they'll put scaffold up for safety up the back of the shed, and that'll then get up there better then. So I don't know what they'll do in here, because obviously they've got to put hook bolts in, so somebody has to drill up through the sheet and bolt it down from the outside. So they poke the bolt and drill the hole, poke the bolt up through and bolt it down from outside. So yeah, so they'll come and do that, and I'll show you next door. Here's the left hand side, it's concrete floor, and we washed this out yesterday, and that's ready now for tipping grain in at harvest for temporary storage. So we've just got to disinfect it. We disinfect it with a food safe disinfectant, and then we're allowed to use this for temporary grain storage with our farm assurance. So that's that done, and then there's the tractor all ready to go. You'll notice that there's no trailers here, and here's what I'm going to clean out this morning. So I would have thought should easily get that out in a couple of hours. Decided to do this year is we've stacked it all out here in old silage clamp, because we weren't sure what to do with it, because there's nowhere to tip it really, because there's animals in the fields and there's fields in the mid-tier stewardship scheme and SFI scheme. So we haven't really got anywhere to tip it, so we thought we'd tip it in here and then spread it after. So it just sort of, it's not really ideal, because it's better that it's out in the fields ready to be spread, but equally, like I say, we got nowhere to tip it. So I am just here with a tractor and grab to scoop it out and tip it there, and then we will deal with that problem another time. But we'll probably spread it and plough it down for winter barley. Right, let's get on with it. Yeah, so we nearly got it out. We've got a big pile of dung here now, but it will compost down over the summer, so that'll be less to carry out by the time we want to spread it. Yeah, we're on in good time clearing out now. Sometimes we do it a bit later than this, but like I say, we've had to get on with this because we want them to fix the roof. And they sort of couldn't get in here to fix the roof till we cleaned it out, because the dung was in there, and obviously if they tried to put a ladder up on the dung, wouldn't be very good. And also if they put a ladder up on the dung, it'll probably sink into the dung. I'm not sure how they're going to do it. They ought to have a cherry picker type thing, but I don't know if they will, or a teleander or something, but that'd be the safest way of doing it. Yeah, so I'll get some footage later on of us washing it out, and hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Dad's here now with the hose pipe just wetting it, just to keep it wet, because it is drying very fast. And we're into another heat wave. Tractor's saying 28 degrees, so it is hot. So we're thinking they were showing some rain sort of Thursday of this week, but they're not showing that now, so we think we might cut some hay. We've got some haylage to do. Got to do that by the end of June, because that's what it says in the rules of the mid-tier stewardship scheme. So we'll get that done, and then but yeah, we might also cut some hay, because we've got a nice field of hay to cut. It's not that heavy, but again, that's in SFI scheme, and that is low input fertiliser, and there's also a haymaking supplement on that, so, which is quite good, really. So we'll do that, and hopefully make some nice hay. There'll mostly be round bales, some round bale hay, some round bale haylage. So a bit of a mixture of both, but we might make some small bale hay this year. We haven't done any for quite a few years now, maybe 3 or 4 years. But it's just handy. We sort of don't plan to sell any of it. We sell a few round bales of hay to horse customers, but not a huge amount. But we used to do a lot of small bale hay for that, but we don't plan to sell any of the bales, just for our own use, really. It's just handy to have some small bale hay for, like, I don't know, if you've got some calves or something, or if you've got you know, just to top the cows up. Sometimes we do that, like just take a few bales out just to go with the grass, rather than start feeding them round bales of hay. But yeah, so we may do that. We'll see how it goes, see what the weather's like, and you know, if it's a rush, it'll just be round bale. But if we've got nice weather, we will probably make some small bales. But yeah, so this job will be done. We got 1 more or 2 more sheds in the yard. We probably won't clean one of them out till later on in the summer, but the other shed we will clear out, because that'll be handy to put some machinery in. Normally clean that shed out first, but we haven't got round to it yet. There just always seems to be too much to do. A big pile of dung to rot down, so it's just enough room for it. A bit spilled over to where the bales are, but I'll clean that up again. We are still using the odd bale because of got some dry cows eating it on like a restricted diet. It's a repair we did on the floor a couple of years ago, and it's still good. Right, so that's nearly done. That's a really good job to get that done, and well pleased to have it done. It's just another major job ticked off the list, and a bit closer and ready to tip corn and get this roof fixed initially. But yes, that's a really good job done. Just thought I would do a video of that to show you what we've been up to last few days, and hopefully the next big thing that we'll be doing is cutting more grass and making some hay. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed that video. Please remember to like the videos and subscribe to the channel if you don't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.